Good morning dear friends. I Professor Harsha Gangane again welcomes you on my video lecture which is nothing but the student of BCCA part 3 same 5. The subject name is VB.NET and today's my topic is nothing but the array methods. As I discussed with you earlier, like properties of array class, now I am going to tell you about the array methods. So the first method of an array, it is nothing but the sort. The syntax for sort method is public, shared, then sub, sort, S capital, in bracket, array, list, as array. That means the sort, what is the sort? Basically, sort it is nothing but the arranging the elements in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means like 1, 2, 3, 4, like very smallest number is arranged at topmost position of the array element, and in decreasing order means in increasing order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that we sort the element in ascending order. Okay, so basically for that the syntax which is provided by the array class in VB.NET, that is public, shared, sub means it is a procedure, then sort it is nothing but the name of that particular method, array list, as array, that means the variable which you declared as a array. Okay, so here variable of array, or we can say the array variable which we have to declare earlier. Okay, then the second method is reverse. Okay, second method is reverse. The syntax for it, syntax public, again access modifier is public, that's why anywhere we can use it. Then shared, you can share this sub procedure, then sub it is nothing but the procedure. Reverse is the name of that particular method, again the having one argument, that is array list as array. Again it is nothing but the array variable. Okay, so syntax for reverse, public, shared, sub. Public means access modifier, we can use it publicly means anywhere. Shared, it is again a particular we can say the access modifier which is provided by the VB.NET for sharing something. Then sub means procedure, you can define the function or procedure, so sub indicate it is a procedure. Then reverse, it is the name of that particular method which we used for reversing the array element. Reversing means what? The position of array, suppose the index number of that particular element of an array is 0, 1, 1, suppose 4, 2, suppose 3. This is nothing but the position of that particular array. We are reversing it, that means we are assigning the 0th position to last element, then 1 and here 2. That means we are reversing our element position which we want to be stored. Means what I want to say, that means उल्टा करना है. किसे उल्टा करना है? बट पोजीशन को उल्टा करना है. एलिमेंट्स को उल्टा करेंगे क्या? नहीं, पोजीशन को उल्टा करेंगे तो डायरेक्टली उस एलिमेंट उल्टे हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, लाइक 0th पोजीशन पे जो कोई एलिमेंट रहेगा वो लास्ट में चला जाएगा. So basically we are reversing the array element, okay, by its positioning. Third one is clear. Syntax for clear, just array dot clear, sorry, I have write the full syntax, na? So syntax for clear. Public again share sub clear. Here listen, array list, or we can say the variable array, variable array. Then next is system index as integer, integer comma length as integer. Basically, clear is a method which is used to clear the element of an array. Clear means वो वहाँ से चला जाएगा या नहीं रहेगा, ऐसा नहीं. Just give or assign the zero of at the position whichever you given here or from which you given here. Okay, so clear is a method which is used to clear the elements of an array with the index number which you provided here as an argument up to the length. Okay, up to the length. So 3 argument in that particular method. First is a variable array, that means the array variable name or name of that particular array which you declared earlier. Okay, then index as an integer, that means 0 1 2, whatever you want to be clear the element or whatever which starting point of that particular array, those particular index integer number you have to provide here. Okay, like 0 1 2, this is nothing but the starting index. Okay, then length means how many elements you want to be clear from that particular array. So you have to provide the length of that array elements like 1 2 3. So from 0th element or 1st element, which is the index of that particular integer, up to the length of that particular array which is provided by you here. Okay, so that much element should be assigned as a 0. Whatever the value of that particular array element in that array, that should be assigned as 0. It is the meaning of that clear. If you want to be clear all the element, then just provide the index number from 0 up to size. So all elements will be clear. Okay, here 3 methods are there. Array methods, first is a sort, second is reverse, and third one is a clear. Sort, it is sorting the element in ascending order. Reverse, it is reverse the position of the element of an array. And clear, for clearing or assigning the 0 value to that particular array element. Those are the syntax. So I will give the simple example for it. So write a program in console VB.NET programming so that you just read the 5 elements from the user and display those elements in ascending order by using sort method, and then reverse it. After sorting, when we give the reverse method, then it will be in descending order, and last one is to demonstrate the clear method. Okay, so first you have to create the module by using module statement, then sub main, then div A5. I am declaring here A as an array, A array name with size 5 as integer. Okay, means defining the type of integer we are storing in A. Okay. Then dim I, j as integer. Again I am declaring two variable here for looping purpose. Okay. Then next is console dot write line, just printing statement like enter the array element, enter the array element. For what? For displaying purpose, so that user can be entered. Okay. Enter the array element. Okay. Then for loop for I equals to 0 to 4. Why? Because the size of array is 5 and index start from 0. So next is console for reading, read a line. Okay, read line, but where we want to be stored? In A with ith position. Okay, then next I. Here we are storing the 5 element in array. Okay, after that array dot sort. Here we have to provide the A. What is A? A, it is nothing but the array. Here we are providing the array name. Okay, that is nothing but the array list as array. This is the argument in that sort method. So here array name. Okay, after that we just print the array element which is sorted by the sort method by using the console statement like console dot write line array elements in sorted order. Okay, now I am printing or I am writing the code for printing the array element. Here I am starting from 1, that's why 5. Okay, so here console dot write line A of I. Okay, then next I. After that, likewise you can use the reverse method here. Reverse in bracket A, then write the array element in reverse order. Then for I equals to 1 to 5 or 0 to 5, then console write line A of I. If we write this particular for the reverse method, it will show the reverse order element. Okay, so I am writing here array dot reverse A, then console again dot write line in bracket array elements in reverse order. Again for I is equals to 0 to 4, then console C capital console dot write line A of I for printing the ith element, next I. Okay, after that array dot clear dot clear like A comma 0 starting index and length is 1. Okay, whatever the element present at index 0, okay, up to 1 means 0th and 1 element should be assigned as 0, okay. Then again you want to show or display all the elements of an array. Again create a for loop for displaying the array element. Write that particular statement, write line, again a of I, for printing the all element after clearing the array element with the index 0 up to the 1, okay. Then end sub for ending the main procedure, and then end module for ending our module for creating that particular way, okay. So this is the module, this is the program module or program for arranging our element which is entered by the user in ascending order and descending order by using the method of array, okay. So basically here I just declare the array with having 5 size with a integer data type, okay. So that particular array store the integer value in A. How much? 5, okay. After that I used I and j as an integer for looping. So here just printing the statement or printing the information to the user for entering the 5 element. You can write here the 5th element of array, okay. Then I am storing here the element in A by using the read line method, okay. After that I used the array dot sort. This is the syntax or labeling to use a sort method in array, okay. We can write the proper syntax, that is public shared sub sort in bracket the array list as array, okay. This is the syntax, but here we are using the array. Array, it is nothing but the name of that particular array which is present in a system. System means VB.NET compiler, okay. So array dot sort, sort is a method name and it is a name of array which we declare earlier, that is A, okay. And there are the elements. If there are no elements in that particular array, then it will there is nothing to be sort. So you have to just assign the array element first, declare the array element array, then assign the array element, and then only you can use the sort method for that particular array, okay. After that here I am printing again array element which is in sorted order because I use the sort method. Likewise here I use the reverse method with the system defined array name, okay. Array dot reverse A again the array name. Then again I am printing by using those statement array elements in reverse order, okay. After that I use the clear method. Again it is called by the system array, okay. Then clear A is array name, 0 index as integer, that is nothing but the starting index. How much I want to be clear? 1 element I want to be clear, that's why 0 up to 1 it will be cleared or assigned the 0, okay. Whatever assigned by this clear method, those 3 statement will show, okay. Then end sub and end module. It is okay for today's lecture. There will be 3 methods which is provided by the system.array class: sort, reverse and clear. Thank you guys. Keep watching. Be safe. Okay. Thank you.